Okay, boys and girls, let's talk again. And this is review for you. What are subjects and predicates? Could somebody give me a sentence? Give me a sentence. Olive? Give me a sentence.
The girl went to get some ice cream.
The girl went to get some ice cream. That's a good sentence. The girl went to get some ice cream. What is the subject of that sentence, please? Teddy.
The girl.
The girl. What's the predicate of that sentence? Mikey.
The predicate goes to get ice cream.
What was the sentence? Goes to get ice cream? Okay, goes to get ice cream. Thank you. Alyssa, are you ready? Good. The girl goes to get ice cream. Subject and predicates. So here's an example. Here's an example sentence right here. The giraffe eats leaves. So what we have here is the subject is the giraffe. That's who or what the sentence is about. Eats leaves. The predicate, what the subject does or is. And we call this a simple sentence. And then we have what are conjunctions? Conjunctions join sentences. Conjunctions are and, or, but, and or but, and or but. So, and or but and so is a conjunction. A conjunction is a joining word, boys and girls. It joins sentences. It connects words, phrases, or sentences, a conjunction. Here is our card with the conjunctions. So it doesn't have them on here. I'm going to write them. So we have conjunctions. So a conjunction would be a word such as and, or, but, and so. Those are conjunctions. Those are the common ones that we are going to be using. And, or, but, and so. Now, of course, you are not using your dry erase right now. Your dry erase are capped and on your desk. Okay, those are conjunctions. Now, we can use a conjunction and a comma to join two simple sentences. It is cold, that is a simple sentence, comma, but it won't snow. So we join two simple sentences. It is cold, it won't snow, comma. We join them with the word but. So that is a comma and a conjunction. We call this a compound sentences because we took two simple sentences and we joined them together to make one longer sentence. Because number one, it's longer and it varies our writing when we're writing. Because we don't want to just have short sentences all the time. That sounds choppy. We want to vary our writing between shorter and longer sentences. So we took two shorter sentences, we combined them into a longer sentence by using a comma and a conjunction like the word but. Okay? It is cold, it won't snow. The simple sentences could be sentences by themselves because they have a subject and a predicate. So here's our subject, it, and it, that's our predicates. So we combine them to make one longer sentence. So compound sentences must have two simple sentences, a conjunction, and a comma. That's what we must have. Here, let's look at our sentence. Let's see. She needs a new computer for work. Is this a compound or a simple sentence? What do we think it is? Ivy?
Simple.
It's a simple sentence. It just has a subject, one predicate. There's no conjunction, there's no comma, nothing. Is this a compound or simple? I like to bake, but I don't like to clean the dishes afterwards. Libby? Compound. We've got more than one sentence here. We have I like to bake, I don't like to clean the dishes afterwards. That's two sentences. We join them with a conjunction. Make it a compound sentence. I like to rollerblade. I fall a lot. So let's join them. We'll write them on our dry erase boards. And let's see if we can make those into a compound sentence. Remember, we need to have a comma before our conjunction. Our conjunction or joining words will be the words and, or, but, and so. We'll use those. We'll use those words to join our two sentences. So let's see what kind of sentences we can make. And, or, but, and so. And then you gotta kind of decide which word is going to fit best there. What word is going to fit best? What is going to fit best there? Let's make sure you have a period. Do you think and is the best word? Or did I go? There could be a better word. You're combining those into one sentence. Erase that period. Put a period on the end. That's it. Okay, good. We need a joining word. You need a conjunction. You need a conjunction. I like to rollerblade, but I fall a lot. Do you see that? Yes. Yes, good. Yes, good. Yes. We need to count it when you write one question. Okay, so the sentence that we made that worked out really great was, I like to rollerblade, comma, but I fall a lot. That's what we did, is I like to rollerblade, comma, but I fall a lot. Okay, how about here? I play the violin, I play the piano. Let's hear how that one is. I play the piano, I play the violin, I play the piano. What sentence are we gonna make there? Yes, I like it, I like it. Yes, good. Good. Nice. Yes, good. Oh. Okay, you need your comma. You need your comma after violin. Good. Good. Okay, you have to have the comma after your violin. Can't put it. Good. Good. Okay, so we made the sentence, I play the violin, comma, and the piano. Or you could say, I play the violin, comma, and I play the piano. So those both worked for us. Those are good sentences. Let's see what else. Are all sentences with commas going to be compound sentences? We bought cheese, milk, and eggs. Is that a compound sentence there? No, that's just a list, right? It is not a compound sentence. Oh, we're not writing anymore with our dry erase. So put your lid back on your dry erase, everyone. Put your lid on your dry erase. Are all sentences with conjunctions going to be compound sentences? No. I also have homework to finish. Also is a conjunction, but it is not a compound sentence. Very nice. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to practice doing some more with it tomorrow, or not tomorrow because tomorrow's that day. Next time we're going to practice some more. So there you go. Now here's what I want you to do, boys and girls. I want you to put down what you're working on.